There is a difference between knowing how a website works and how to actually build one. Using HTML coding and building new features can be challenging. If you desire a website that looks awesome, you are going to need to learn web design. Keep listening to find out what you need to know. Don't disable the visitor's right-click functionality. Some sites do this in order to prevent people from copying and pasting text or saving images from the site. The thing is, it doesn't work and disables other useful functions. OCR can be used to capture text from such sites, and grabbing images is as simple as taking a screenshot. To help your website visitors easily navigate through your site, design it so that it becomes easy to find stuff. When you have a simple site that makes it easy to locate information, you keep your visitors there much longer. If you make it difficult for them, then they will get frustrated and leave. For the best layout, make sure that the colors you choose for the background and font are restful to the eyes. Choosing moving backgrounds or neon colors can make it hard for people to read, and they may navigate to another website. However, include pictures to break up your content and make the site complete. When designing your site, try to come up with 3 or 4 keywords that you expect users to input into search engines as they try to find your page. These keywords should then be repeated frequently throughout the title, page body and description meta tag. This will make it easier for users to locate your site on the web. To help you design a website that is free of clutter, do not include any scrolling text on your site. Websites that have things constantly moving back and forth on the screen is really distracting to the visitor. Not only is this distracting and annoying, it screams unprofessional and will cause your visitors to leave quickly. Make sure everything is easy to locate on your website. Spend some serious thought on how everything on your site will be laid out. When content is randomly thrown on your site with little thought to the layout, you are making things harder for the people whose use of your site ensures your online success, your site visitors. Creating a sitemap is a very important part of the web design process. A sitemap is an effective way to inform visitors of the various kinds of content that your website has to offer, and is a great tool for navigating your website. Search engine crawlers will also utilize your sitemap for similar reasons, and therefore, including a sitemap will help boost your search rankings. Make sure your website has a sitemap, and that it is through. Do you have a bunch of different website ideas? If so, you'll want to grab those domain names right away. Be original and choose a name that works well, but by reserving it ahead of time, you are assured that it is available when you want to use it. It is surprising how many other people may have come up with similar ideas. Many creative people think alike. A good resource where you can learn some insightful knowledge is MisBiz Pro. You can find articles at MisBiz Pro and find loads of digital content that works. We have information on HTML, C++, Photoshop, and Dreamweaver, as these are some of the key things you need to learn when it comes to being a knowledgeable web designer. Make sure that you periodically go back and try to remember all that you've learned thus far. One of the biggest problems people have when they first start out with web design is that they learn 1 or 2 things and forget them a couple of days later, which can hurt their website progress. Creating a visual sitemap for your website is important. Knowing what you'll have on each page allows you to prepare ahead of time and to know what direction your site will take. After following the information located here, you are ready to begin designing your own website. There are skills involved, which requires the right information from the right sources. Make sure you use the information presented here so that you're able to build a great website. Thanks for watching another MisBiz Pro tip. Follow us at MisBiz Pro on all social media channels.